Hi guys, Cynthia here, and I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough of the members area. It's pretty straightforward though, because I like to keep it simple and straight to the point. But yeah, these are all the modules, this is all the course right here, these 10 modules, and you just click on the plus here and you're gonna see a drop down, and that's how you would see, well, every single video that is in here. Right, simple as that. Click on the plus and you have a drop down and you can watch all the training. Then here on your left hand side you have a little description of myself, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel where I do reviews and free training videos that can help you guys to have better results online and all of that. Then you have your bonuses down here, another opportunity to get the OTOs if you haven't had a chance to check them out. And then you have the email for support if you have any technical difficulties or any doubts. And you have the support email down there at your disposal, guys. And yeah, there's not much to it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. And yeah, as I always say, I hope you watch the whole training, that you then take notes, take action. So I said, you're gonna have a business in 30 minutes to an hour all set up. And yeah, it's very simple, guys. So just be consistent, take action, watch the training in order, step by step, and even watch it multiple times if you don't understand something. And yeah, hope you take action like always. And yeah, let's just go straight to the training, guys. Take care.